How do you scale multiple income methods at the same time without losing control, burning out, or watching everything slowly fall apart? In 2026, the people who successfully grow past 3K, 5K, or even 10K per month online are not just working harder. They are using advanced consistency systems that allow them to manage several streams without chaos. If you're at the point where you have one or two methods working and you want to scale intelligently, this video will show you the advanced systems that actually work. In March of 2026, many people who have started online businesses are now ready to grow. With living costs still high and the desire for greater financial security stronger than ever, the ability to scale multiple income streams sustainably has become one of the most valuable skills anyone can develop. Before we speak of systems and tools, let us speak of the fire that truly matters. Inside each of us lives a quiet knowing. We were not meant to spend our lives only trading time for money that barely stretches. There is a deeper urge to create something of our own, to provide for our families with dignity, to wake up one day and realize we have built a stream of income that flows even when we rest. That urge is not loud. It does not shout promises of overnight riches. It simply asks us to begin, and to keep beginning day after day in small, soul-aligned actions. Consistency is the hidden architecture of freedom, not heroic all-nighters, not frantic hustle, just the steady, gentle discipline of showing up. Because the compound effect of small daily choices is what separates those who dream from those who eventually live the dream. When your actions are rooted in service, in honesty, and in patience, the income follows, not as a miracle, but as the natural fruit of aligned effort. That is the inner fire we will tend together in every episode. Today we focus on advanced consistency systems for scaling multiple online income methods in 2026. Here are the exact systems that successful people are using right now. 1. The Core Plus Support System. Choose one main income stream as your core, the one that brings in the majority of your revenue. All other methods become support streams. This structure prevents you from spreading yourself too thin. Most people who scale successfully keep their core at 60 to 70% of their total effort and time. 2. Time blocking at an advanced level. Instead of one daily block, create a weekly schedule with protected time for each stream. Example: Monday, Friday mornings, core stream, 60 to 90 minutes. Evenings, support streams, 30-45 minutes each. Sunday, one full review hour for all streams together. 3. Automation and delegation systems. Use tools like Zapier, free tier, email sequences, scheduled posts, and simple customer service templates to reduce manual work. As income grows, consider outsourcing small tasks, virtual assistants, designers, etc., so you can focus on high-value activities. 4. Quarterly scaling reviews. Every 3 months, do a deep review of all your streams. Ask, which one is growing fastest? Which one needs more attention? Which one should be paused or simplified? Adjust your time blocks and resources accordingly. 5. The Energy Protection Rule. Never add a new stream until your current ones are running smoothly with minimal daily effort. Protect your energy. Scaling multiple streams only works when you have systems, not when you are constantly putting out fires. One generalized example. A person who started with digital products as their core, added print on demand as a support stream, and later introduced a small newsletter, now earns $6,800 monthly while working a calm, sustainable schedule thanks to these advanced consistency systems. The main pitfalls when scaling multiple methods are trying to manage everything manually, adding new streams too quickly, or neglecting the core while chasing new ideas. The fix is using clear systems, protecting your time blocks, and reviewing progress regularly. Daily and weekly consistency habits. Keep your core daily block protected, 60 to 90 minutes. Use shorter blocks for support streams. Spend 1 full hour every Sunday reviewing all streams together and adjusting your plan. Treat your entire business like a well-run system rather than a chaotic collection of projects. Advanced consistency systems are what allow you to scale multiple online income methods without burning out or losing control. In 2026, they are the real difference between people who stay stuck and those who build lasting financial freedom. The path is not about perfection or speed. It is about beginning today, with whatever small step feels true for you. Look at your current income streams and spend that first 30 minutes designing a simple weekly schedule that protects your core method. Real results bloom from the quiet consistency you bring to these steps. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this spoke to you, I invite you to begin right now, gently, and to return next week as we go deeper into the next proven way. You are not alone in this. The freedom you seek is closer than it feels. Until then, take care of yourself and keep that inner fire quietly burning. I'll see you in the next video.